Friends, I just came to see this stuntman show, and this show is called as a Well of Death. This type of shows are mainly arranged during the holidays, school holidays and college holidays. We find this type of shows generally ground, and so many times I think how this happens. What is the science behind this? Today I am going to discuss the science behind this Well of Death. When stuntman is doing his show, he doesn't fall down. So what exactly the science behind this type of show? So that I am going to elaborate in this video. In case of Well of Death, the object moving acted upon by three kind of forces under balanced condition. These three forces are: the first one, the weight of the object acting vertically downward; second, force of static friction acting vertically upward; and the force of normal reaction acting horizontally toward the center of the cylinder. Weight of the object acting vertically downward direction, and the weight is equals to mg, and the force of static friction Fs cannot be greater than product of μs and normal reaction. So Fs less than or equal to μs multiplied by n, and normal reaction equals to resultant centripetal force. It is given by mv square divided by r. So we have mg equals to Fs, that is force of static friction, and force of static friction always less than or equal to product of μs multiplied by normal reaction, where normal reaction is given by n equals to mv square upon r, implies mg less than or equal to μs multiplied by n. Cancelling both sides, we get small g less than or equal to μs multiplied by v square upon r, where small g nothing but acceleration due to gravity. So minimum speed required by the stuntman to perform inside this Well of Death is given by v minimum equals to under root of rg divided by μs. This expression is used to find minimum speed of rider inside the Well of Death. If the speed drops below this boundary value, then gravitational force becomes greater than force of friction and rider will slide down. Therefore, the rider must maintain this minimum value of speed while riding inside the Well of Death. Friends, I try to represent the topic in minimum possible time, and I wanted to express everything in the minimum possible time. So am I successful in doing so? Please give your opinion and your feedback. Meet you again with next idea, next topic. Till then, wish you good luck, all the best.